This is a tutorial for playing Jolly Old St. Nicholas. So first, let's just sing the song. Jolly old St. Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now, you dear old man, whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. All right, so on your paper that you got from music class, your sheet music, there's 3 different colored boxes. So we're going to start with the blue. So it starts on A, and you're going to go A, then down, back to A, then up, back to A. So that should sound like A, G, A, B, A. Sing and show. A, G, A, B, A. Let's play that. Play it after me. Your turn. A, G, A, B, A. All right, good job. So now that you can do that, we're going to play the second blue box. But there's one little difference. Instead of ending on A, it ends on G. So it'll go A, G, A, B, G. And you'll put down 2 fingers at a time to go from B to G. Let's sing and show that together. A, G, A, B, G. Nice job. All right, now let's play that after me. Let me try that again. Your turn. A, G, A, B, G. How about one more time? I'll go first. Your turn. A, G, A, B, G. Awesome. Okay, so now you know the blue boxes. So now we're going to sing the words until it's time for you to play the blue box, okay? I'll still be showing the notes for the whole song, just so that you can start to see it and make the connection. Jolly old St. Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul. Now play. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now, you dear old man, whisper what you'll bring to me. Now play. All right, so if you got that, you're ready to keep going. If you didn't get that, then you need to rewind, listen to this part again, play that part again, okay? Now we're going to add the green part. So that's the first line and the third line. And it's pretty easy because it's 4 B's, 3 A's, 4 G's, and then just back to B. So it's B, 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 A, 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 G, 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 B. Let's sing and show that together. B, 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 A, 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 G, 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 B. Now let's play it after me. Your turn to play. B, 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 A, 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 G, 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 B. All right, let's put that in the song. So we'll play the first line, then you'll have like 8 beats of rest, and then you'll play A, G, A, B, A. So you're playing the green and the blue boxes. Everything except for the red. Here we go. Don't you tell a single soul. Whisper what you'll bring to me. All right, if you got that, let's keep going. If you need to do it again, rewind the video, do it again. All right, so now we are adding the red box. It's gonna start on low E, and we're gonna have a low D, and then we'll go up to G. So 4 E's, D, G, G. Let's sing and show together. E, 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 D, G, G. Do that again. E, 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 D, G, G. Let's play it now. After me. Your turn. E, 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 D, G, G. All right, so before we play the whole thing, which now you've learned all 3 color blocks, now let's play the second line. So that's gonna be the red box and the blue box, okay? So we're gonna start on low E, 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 D, E, 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 D, G, G, and then we go up to A, G, A, B, A. Let's see if we can do the entire second line. Yep, end on A for the second line, end on G for the very last line. All right, let's do the whole thing. And then you can watch this video and practice as much as you need until you get it. So starting on B. All right, good luck. Thank you for practicing. You can do it.